Ever wondered where we stand in the world of artificial intelligence? Curious to know what's new and exciting? Let's dive in. In the vast expanse of the AI landscape, there's always something brewing, something that pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible. The strides we've made in recent years are nothing short of remarkable, and it's this rapid pace of development that keeps us on the edge of our seats. Take large language models, for example. They're the powerhouses behind the scenes, the ones that take our words and transform them into meaningful dialogue. Their successors are even more formidable, opening up new realms of possibility. Yet with great power comes great responsibility, and the ethical guidelines and governance frameworks surrounding these models are a testament to that. But AI isn't just about crunching numbers and spitting out results, it's also about creativity. From generating art and music to crafting literature, AI is making its mark in the creative world. It's not just about the tools, but how we integrate them into our workflows and the implications this has for creative industries. AI's role in combating climate change is also growing. Through predictive modeling, optimization of energy usage, and analysis of climate data, AI is becoming a key player in our fight against this global crisis. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing how we diagnose diseases, discover drugs, and manage healthcare systems. It's also opening up new possibilities for improving the lives of people with disabilities. And let's not forget about the latest developments in generative models. These aren't your run-of-the-mill text and image generators, they're creating 3D designs, videos, and even generating code. The convergence of AI and robotics is leading to advances in autonomous vehicles, drones, and personal robots. From a cybersecurity standpoint, AI is evolving to counteract the ever-growing cyber threats. On the hardware front, breakthroughs in AI hardware such as neuromorphic chips and the role of quantum computing in AI are shifting the focus from software to hardware. With increasing concerns about data privacy, concepts like federated learning are gaining traction. This method allows for model training without sharing raw data. And finally, in the realm of natural language understanding and generation, new benchmarks and techniques are making interactions more context-aware and nuanced. AI is not static, it's ever-evolving, and that's what makes it such a thrilling field. So, let's start with large language models. These computational giants, like the GPT-4, are essentially AI models that can understand and generate human-like text. They're trained on vast amounts of data, enabling them to comprehend context, answer questions, write essays, and even create poetry. But while their capabilities are impressive, they're not without limitations. They can sometimes produce misleading or biased information, and they require massive computational resources. The AI world is always evolving, and since the advent of GPT-4, there may have been new advancements or successors that push the boundaries of what these models can achieve. Whether it's better understanding of context, improved accuracy, or more nuanced responses, the next generation of large language models promises to be even more powerful and versatile. Large language models, a powerful tool with potential uses only limited by our imagination. From text to art, AI is making its mark in the creative world. With a brush that's coded, not crafted, AI is bringing a new perspective to artistic expression. It's not just about creating art, but also music, literature, and even culinary creations. AI's reach into creativity is broad, and it's integrating into creative workflows in exciting ways. Imagine a painter with an AI assistant, suggesting color palettes based on mood or theme. Picture a musician collaborating with an AI to compose symphonies, creating a fusion of human and artificial creativity. Envision writers using AI tools to generate plot ideas, character profiles, or even whole chapters. But this integration isn't without implications. It's redefining the boundaries of creativity, challenging us to reconsider what constitutes original art or authentic literature. It's not replacing human creativity, but augmenting it, expanding it, and pushing it into new frontiers. AI in creativity, a blend of technology and art, creating a new form of expression. With great power comes great responsibility, and AI is no exception. As the reach and influence of artificial intelligence continue to expand, so does the importance of ethical guidelines, regulations, and governance frameworks. These are not just theoretical constructs for academics to debate, but practical necessities for anyone involved in the development or usage of AI. Consider this. AI has the potential to reshape our world in profound ways. It can help us diagnose diseases, combat climate change, and even create new forms of art. But with these possibilities come significant risks. Without proper guidelines and oversight, AI could be used to perpetuate bias, infringe on privacy, or even cause harm. That's why ethics in AI isn't just about preventing misuse. It's about ensuring that AI is used in a way that aligns with our values and benefits society as a whole. This involves asking tough questions. What principles should guide AI development? How do we balance innovation with the need for regulation? And who gets to make these decisions? But ethics isn't just about the big picture. It's also about the day-to-day practices of AI developers and users. It's about being transparent about how AI systems work and the data they use. It's about considering the potential impact of AI on individuals and communities, and ensuring that those who are affected by AI have a say in how it's used. Then there's governance. This is about creating structures and processes to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. It's about setting standards, enforcing rules, and holding people accountable. It's about creating a culture of responsibility around AI where everyone understands their role in ensuring that AI is used in a way that is ethical and beneficial. This is no easy task. It requires constant vigilance, ongoing dialogue, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But it's a challenge we cannot afford to ignore. The future of AI, and indeed our future, depends on it. AI ethics and governance, a cornerstone for responsible AI usage. It's not just about what AI can do, but what it should do, and that's a conversation we all need to be a part of. AI is not just about technology, it's also about making our world a better place. Artificial intelligence has taken a proactive role in the battle against climate change, turning the tide towards a more sustainable future. In the fight against global warming, AI comes armed with predictive modeling, a tool that forecasts climate patterns and extreme weather events. By predicting these events, we can better prepare for them, mitigating their impact and safeguarding vulnerable communities. But AI doesn't stop there. It's also optimizing energy usage, making our consumption patterns more efficient and less wasteful. From smart grids that balance power demand and supply, to intelligent systems that optimize building and transportation energy use, AI is helping us to do more with less. In essence, AI is not just observing our world, it's actively shaping a more sustainable one. By leveraging this technology, we can make significant strides in combating climate change, creating a healthier, safer planet for future generations. AI and climate change, a dynamic duo in the fight for a healthier planet. Healthcare, a sector where AI has the potential to revolutionize lives. Imagine a world where diseases are diagnosed faster and more accurately, where drug discovery is expedited, and where healthcare systems are optimized for efficiency and effectiveness. This is the world that AI in healthcare promises. AI-powered diagnostic tools are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of identifying patterns in medical imaging or patient data that even the most trained human eye might miss. In the realm of drug discovery, AI is accelerating the process, predicting how molecules will behave and how likely they are to make an effective treatment. AI isn't just about diagnosing diseases and discovering drugs, it's also about managing healthcare systems. Predictive analytics can help hospitals forecast patient admission rates, optimize staffing levels, and even predict the spread of diseases in real time. AI in healthcare, a promising frontier in our quest for better health outcomes. AI is not just about automating tasks, it's about making the world accessible to all. When we talk about AI for accessibility, we're referring to the use of AI to improve the lives of people with disabilities. These advancements are breaking down barriers and opening up a world of possibilities. For instance, AI-powered speech recognition technology is enabling those with speech impairments to communicate more effectively. Similarly, visual recognition capabilities are being used to create apps that can describe the world around visually impaired individuals, enhancing their independence and mobility. AI is also revolutionizing assistive technologies, such as smart wheelchairs that can navigate autonomously, or predictive text software that learns from the user's input to make typing easier for those with motor impairments. In essence, AI is helping to level the playing field, ensuring that everyone, regardless of their abilities, can participate fully in society. Truly, AI for accessibility is a step towards a more inclusive world. The power of AI extends beyond simple tasks to creating new content. Generative AI, a fascinating subfield, is transforming the landscape of what we can do with technology. Generative models are now capable of creating complex content, from 3D design and videos to even writing code. Imagine a world where AI can design intricate 3D models, saving hours of manual labor for our creative professionals. Or consider the possibility of AI-generated videos that can create realistic scenes or simulate events for educational or entertainment purposes. But it doesn't stop there. The realm of generative AI is also venturing into the territory of code generation. Picture an AI that can write its own code, potentially streamlining the software development process and opening up new avenues for automation. This is the beauty of generative AI. It's not just about automation, but also about amplifying human creativity, making the impossible possible, and pushing the boundaries of what machines can create. Generative AI, pushing the boundaries of what machines can create. When AI meets robotics, we get an exciting blend of technology and physical capabilities. Imagine a world where autonomous vehicles whisk us to our destinations, drones deliver packages to our doorsteps, and personal robots perform our daily chores. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's happening right now, driven by advancements in AI and robotics. Artificial intelligence fuels these robots with the ability to learn, adapt, and make decisions. Autonomous vehicles, for instance, use AI to navigate complex traffic situations, adjusting to unpredictable elements like weather changes or jaywalking pedestrians. Drones, on the other hand, employ AI to optimize their flight paths, ensuring timely and safe deliveries. Meanwhile, personal robots use AI to understand and carry out tasks around the house, learning from their environments to better serve us. The marriage of AI and robotics is reshaping our world, paving the way for a future filled with smart autonomous machines. This is AI and robotics, a peek into a future of smart autonomous machines. In a world where cyber threats are evolving, AI is our new line of defense. Artificial intelligence is transforming the landscape of cybersecurity, providing automated, efficient, and sophisticated solutions against cyber threats. These AI-powered systems learn from past incidents, creating an ever-evolving defense line that adapts to new threats and vulnerabilities. They're capable of identifying patterns in millions of files or network activities in a fraction of the time it would take a human analyst. Moreover, AI can predict potential attack vectors by analyzing patterns and trends. And when a breach does occur, AI systems can initiate immediate responses, mitigating damage and preventing further intrusions. AI is not just defending against cyber attacks, it's also being used to uncover vulnerabilities in systems before attackers can exploit them. By conducting intelligent vulnerability scans, AI can identify weak spots in a system's defense, allowing for proactive security measures. AI in cybersecurity, our digital shield in an increasingly connected world. AI is not just about software, we can't forget the role of hardware. Indeed, as we propel ourselves further into this technological renaissance, the hardware that underpins AI is becoming ever more critical. And it's not just about making things faster or more efficient, it's about fundamentally changing how we process data. Take neuromorphic chips, for instance. These marvels of engineering mimic the human brain's structure and functionality, offering a different approach to the traditional von Neumann architecture. They're designed to be low power, high capacity, and are poised to significantly accelerate the speed of machine learning algorithms. Then there's the advancement in GPUs, the unsung heroes in the AI world. GPUs, or graphics processing units, have become the de facto standard for deep learning tasks due to their ability to process multiple computations simultaneously. The latest GPUs are becoming even more efficient and powerful, enabling the development of more complex AI models. AI hardware, the uncelebrated hero powering our AI solutions. Data privacy is a concern, and AI offers a solution in the form of federated learning. Federated learning is a game-changing approach in the world of AI. Instead of pooling data into a central server for training, this method leaves the data on local devices. The AI model then travels to each device, learns from the data, and updates. The learnings, not the data itself, are shared back to the central server. This means the raw data never leaves its original location, offering a significant boost to privacy. Imagine a world where your personal data doesn't need to travel across the internet to contribute to AI advancements. This is the promise of federated learning. But it's not just about privacy. Federated learning also has the potential to improve the quality of AI models by enabling them to learn from a wider array of data sources. Federated learning and privacy, a testament to AI's potential in safeguarding our digital lives. From reading to writing, AI is mastering the art of language. The field of natural language understanding, or NLU, involves machines comprehending human language, decoding nuances, and even interpreting context. It's akin to teaching a computer to read between the lines. On the other hand, natural language generation, or NLG, is all about creating human-like text from computer data. Picture a machine penning an exciting story or a thought-provoking article. The progression in this field is staggering. We're seeing new benchmarks, techniques that enable AI to understand and generate language in ways previously thought impossible. Some recent models even exhibit a level of context awareness, making conversations with AI feel more natural and less robotic. This is a game changer, opening up new horizons in customer service, content creation, and even personal digital assistance. It's a thrilling time as we witness natural language understanding and generation, a leap towards more nuanced interactions with machines. AI is moving closer to us, right at the edge of our devices. Yes, you heard it right. The trend is shifting towards processing AI on-device, a concept known as Edge AI. But why is this important? Well, it's all about speed, efficiency, and privacy. Imagine your smartphone, your wearable device, or your smart home gadget. These devices are gathering data constantly. Now, instead of sending this data all the way to a cloud server, waiting for it to be processed and then receiving the results, what if we could do all this right on the device itself? This reduces latency, saves bandwidth, and most importantly, keeps your data on your device, enhancing privacy. Edge AI is not just a buzzword, it's a significant shift in how we process data, enabling real-time applications even in remote or low connectivity areas. This is the future, and it's already here. AI in edge computing, bringing intelligence right to our fingertips. So that's a wrap on what's new in the world of AI. We've taken a deep dive into the current state of AI, exploring the advancements in large language models, and how AI is revolutionizing the creative industries. We've delved into the crucial conversations around AI ethics and governance, and how AI is helping combat climate change. We've explored the exciting applications of AI in healthcare, accessibility, and generative models. We've journeyed into the world of AI in robotics, cybersecurity, and the latest in AI hardware. We've discussed the intriguing concepts of federated learning and privacy, and the developments in natural language understanding and generation. And finally, we've looked at the growing trend of AI in edge computing. Each of these topics represents a piece of the larger AI puzzle, shaping our future in unique ways. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of AI. Remember, the only constant in AI is change.